Hey everyone, welcome back to Keto Asian Flavors. Let's make some keto pumpkin pie ice cream today using the Ninja Creami machine. This is an easy, original custard style keto ice cream recipe that requires no cooking time and no stabilizer. Mix in those keto graham crackers for some chunky goodness. Oh, so smooth. As an option, you can add in graham cracker chunks to make it even more delicious. I am using Carolyn Ketchum's recipe from All Day I Dream About Food. I will link a recipe in the box below. You can make the keto graham crackers ahead of time or make it when the ice cream base is in the freezer. Once it's baked and cooled, add it to the pumpkin pie ice cream base as a mix-in. The graham cracker chunks adds texture and takes this keto pumpkin pie ice cream to another level. It's definitely a must-try. To a blender, add in the organic heavy cream, organic pumpkin puree, allulose, egg yolk powder, pumpkin pie spice, and Lakanto maple flavored syrup. Blend all the ingredients together until the mixture is thick. Scrape down the sides if needed and do not overblend. Pour the ice cream base into the Ninja Creami containers. Level and tap the pie a few times to get rid of the air bubbles. Place a piece of parchment paper on top to reduce ice crystals. If you see any air pockets on the side, scrape it down or tap the container to smooth it out. To cut the parchment paper to size, simply fold it into half and then fold it again. Using the center of the circle as a point, estimate the radius using the lid or the container and cut along the edge. Place a lid on the container and freeze for 24 hours. Remove the containers from the freezer after 24 hours and take off the lid and the parchment paper. Place the container in the outer bowl and then lock the lid, making sure the paddle is installed in the outer bowl lid. Twist the handle of the outer bowl to the right to raise the platform and lock it in place. Select the ice cream function. Twist the handle back to the center to lower the bowl and lift the bowl to remove it from the outer bowl. Your keto ice cream should look like this: creamy, smooth, and velvety. If your ice cream is crumbly, your freezer may be too cold. If that happens, put the container back into the outer bowl and select the respin function to process again. To add in your mix-ins, use a spoon to create a hole in the middle, about 2 inches deep. Add in chopped or broken ingredients and select the mix-in function. Do not add more than 1/4 cup of mixing ingredients per pint. Repeat the previous steps to remove the container from the outer bowl. Your keto pumpkin pie ice cream with graham cracker mix-ins is ready. This is what it should look like after it has completed both the ice cream and respin cycle. Serve the ice cream immediately or refreeze it for later consumption. If refreezing, replace the parchment paper on top. You can enjoy this keto pumpkin pie ice cream with my keto waffle cones. The recipe is linked below. Thanks for watching everyone. Please like, subscribe, and share this recipe. If you have an ice cream flavor request, please let me know by commenting. And if you would like to support me on Patreon, details are also included below. See you in the next video.